How to add audio spectrum in CapCut. To do that, first of all, make sure to go on the Google Play Store on your phone. And in the search bar, you can simply search for CapCut and install an update to its latest version. And after you do that, you can click on the CapCut. And if you are editing any video, then you can directly go to it. Or if you want to edit any new video, then do edit it. And after that, you can just mute or unmute the original audio from the video. And to add new audio, you can see at the down bar, there is second option of audio. And when you tap on it, you can now put or extract the sound from your device. You can also have the sound which is already provided in this app, or you can record the audio right now as well. So this is how you add an audio to your video. I hope this video helped you. If you like our video, please do subscribe our channel.